Today I'm going to show you exactly how to stay ahead of the IRS in 2026 with year-round tax planning strategies that my most successful business clients follow. Because when you get this right, you don't just reduce your taxes, you protect your business, your cash flow, and your peace of mind. Why do small business owners face the biggest IRS risks? Well, it's because business owners frankly juggle dozens of responsibilities and taxes often fall to the bottom of the list. They often operate with incomplete records, rough estimates, or do-it-yourself bookkeeping. IRS returns have to tell a story that makes sense, and messy books trigger scrutiny. IRS audit rates for business owners are higher because their revenue fluctuates, deductions are larger, expenses can look estimated, cash flow practices aren't always documented, and often entity selection is unsophisticated. Most business owners are great at what they do, but terrible at keeping up with the IRS. The truth is, year-round tax planning keeps you out of crisis mode. Most owners do taxes backwards. They deal with everything in April. But real tax planning happens monthly and quarterly. Fixing tax problems later is always more expensive than preventing them. Let me provide you a few examples of year-round habits. You need to keep expenses documented monthly. You need to avoid round number estimates. You need to keep business and personal accounts separate, so no commingling. You can tell that's a hot button with me. You need to track your business mileage, your meals, your subcontractors, and equipment purchases. And really, you should be reviewing your taxes on a quarterly basis. The IRS has become much more data-driven lately. They already know more about you than you think. They have your W-2s, your 1099s, your mortgage interest, and records from your payment platforms such as Zelle, Venmo, and PayPal. In 2026, with new AI tools being rolled out internally, they're going to match this data even faster. Now, if the thought of keeping up with IRS rules all year long already feels overwhelming, I get it. And that's exactly why I created something called the IRS Battle Guide.